What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 screen dimming. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display. Now here you can turn off your adaptive brightness. If you turn it on, then turn it off. After turn off your adaptive brightness, then turn off your dark mode. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.